BrightFuture Retirement Planner Honest review. Watch before using. The BrightFuture Retirement Planner is a financial planning tool designed to assist individuals in preparing for retirement. While specific details about its features are limited, a recent video review provides some insight into its key functionalities. So talking about the key functionalities, comes with a user-friendly interface. The planner appears to have a intuitive design, make it accessible for users with a varying level of financial literacy, and also the scenario analysis. It offers the compatibility to run different retirement scenarios, helping users understand potential outcomes based on various financial decisions. And here is the downside about this platform, which is a limited public information. There is a scarcity of details information about the planner, the features, the fee, and the underlying assumption, making it a challenging to assess its comprehensiveness. And also, it comes with a lack of dependent review. Aside from the recent video review, there are few independent evaluation or users' testimonies available to gauge its effectiveness of reliability. And here's the overall verdict about this platform. The BrightFuture Retirement Planner seems to offer a basic retirement planning functionalities with a user-friendly interface and the limited publicity available information. Lack of independent review make it difficult to full endorse, or potential users have advised to approach with a caution and seek additional information for relying solemnly on tools for retirement planning.